didn't see as many coaches in the lane. So for me, what garners my respect for a coach is if you're certified, or if you have, perhaps you've worked in human resources for a really long time. I found a certification, it's called the PARW, Professional Association of Resume Writers and Career Coaches. So I had reached out to them. I did my due diligence, looked at different agencies that certify. I chose them. They were economical. The author, Diane, is like my shiro. She wrote the actual curriculum content. Studied, I had to do sample case studies that had to go back to them for evaluation, and then you kind of have to learn their methods, how to coach, what are you coaching on, the process of coaching, the paperwork to coaching, and we base that off the International Federation of Coaching. Social media has changed the game tremendously, and people's expectations and their demand. Constantly come back. I can't just go home and be like, how do I start this business? I find someone. Look, can I talk to you? What do I need to do? And I trust that person to guide me. So I feel like it could be almost, I hate to say anyone, because you should have your market, which it's been students, but if you've been through something or you're like down and out, I feel like it just pushes me to want to help you even more.